Hi, my name's Bettge. I'm your child's art teacher. Let's take a look inside the class, see what they're doing today.
The first stage of the process is filling the model.
Hey there, Maverick parents. Welcome to Art 1. This is Art 1. Students are just beginning to learn how to paint in here. First step in painting is they're going to mix all their colors together, make a color wheel, simple project, and then we'll move on from here to make more advanced paintings. Hey Maverick parents, this is sculpture class. Students just finished creating life-size castings of the human form out of packing tape. Hey Maverick parents, this is Ceramics Art 2 class where students are finishing up a ceramic skeleton project, painting and glazing ceramics. Their skeletons, when they're finished, will look like this. A nice Halloween decoration for the home or outside on the porch. Next, we'll be using the potter's wheels. Here, students will be making plates and bowls and cups. So make sure to place your order with your child of what plates and bowls and cups you'd like. All right, Maverick parents, here's our Art Pals class. Everyone say hey. Hey, all these students are always hard at work, making all kinds of fun crafts and arts. Here's our recent puff paint painting we made. All right, say bye. Bye-bye. Hey there, Maverick parents. So the best way to find out any information on my class is to visit my class website, bettgeart.weebly.com. bettgeart.weebly.com. Here on this website, you can find all the important links, important class information. You can even send me a message or find my phone number on this website. On this website as well are all the lessons throughout the whole school year with picture examples of what the students will be doing. This website's available as well as my Google Classroom. My Google Classroom will have all the assignments that the students will be working on and their grades. So I have sent you a link via email to the Google Classroom. Check it out. Thanks for joining us for Open House. Have a nice evening.